In this video, we will talk about how to find experimental probability. Remember, experimental probability is something that's already happened and we have the data to back it up. Let's go ahead and look at number 1. What is the experimental probability of spinning a 2? In order to figure out our experimental probability, what we'll have to do first is add up to see how much total times the spinner was spun. The number 1 was landed on 10 times. The number 2 was landed on 7 times. The number 3 was also spun 10 times. The number 4 was spun 3 times. And the number 5 was spun 10 times. If I add 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 3 plus 10, I get 40 total times. So the number that I'm looking for will be out of 40. Spinning a 2 happened 7 times, so my probability, my experimental probability, is 7 out of 40. I can't simplify that, so that is my final answer. The next question talks about spinning an even number. Remember, my even numbers are 2 and 4. The number 2 was spun 7 times. The number 4 was spun 3 times. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So that would be 10 times out of 40, which reduces to 1/4. So the experimental probability of spinning an even number is 1/4.